is Godzilla! Look who I have with me, everyone. It's Bryan Cranston.
It's great to be back in Leicester Square. This is like the capital city for premieres.
You know, these kind of movies were my favorite movies growing up as a little girl, or just even now to go watch, and it's really cool to be on the other end of it.
There is chaos basically happening behind you at every corner. What's that like to film?
Super exciting. I mean, you know, I'd be on military tanks, I'd be on trains with missiles, I'd be jumping up in helicopters, you know, and you can only bring your A game, you know, when you work with Bryan Cranston, Lizzie Olsen, Ken Watanabe, Sally Hawkins, you know.
It's very exciting. I mean, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a bit nervous, because we've tried to do something quite different. It's this film that I've always wanted to see, you know, version of Godzilla, and so fingers crossed everybody else feels the same way.
This movie is very surprising because the title says it's a big monster movie, and it is. But it's also a very well-crafted, character-driven narrative to it, and that's what really drew me to it, is because you care about these people, and it pays off. It's really terrific.